Hey guys, how you doing? Today I come again to talk about powerball result and the mega ball result that I find a way that I can get a better result than guessing. So today we're gonna be doing um powerball that came out on January 9, 2021, and we're gonna get both results. We're gonna get both results from Powerball and Megabo together. So yeah, we're gonna have those results together. So that being said, I already to cut my time short on that presentation. So yeah, to cut my time short on this presentation, I have to what I did. I already did everything. So I know it's kind of blurry, but I'm gonna try to make it easy so you can see what I'm doing and understand what's going on up here. And this is the result that I find for um Mega Boo and Power. Um what I did was I think the result that came out was 0 1. The result that came out was 0 1 20 22 60 66 0 3. So that's the result that I will work with. And the power play was 3. So I take the power play up here. I take the power play. So I multiply all those numbers by 3. All those numbers that I just said, I multiply them by 3. So when I multiply uh, 3, 1 give me 3. Right? When I multiply 20 times 20, it gives me 60. So when I do 22, 62, 66, it gives me, oh no, 60, give me 180, 66, give me 198, and 0, 03, give me 09. So that was everything. That's multiply everything. So now, what I did over here, I know you're not seeing it, but I'm gonna tell you what I did over here. What I did over here, I all those numbers that I just multiplied, I took them and then I line them up together, line them up together, like you add something, you just line them up together, and then you put 1 to 6. I mean 1 to 6 to the right, 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 6 to 1 from the left. So I start here to the right, 6 to 1, and to the left. Sorry, I said to the left, to the right before, but to the left, I do 1 to 6. So what I did is this system. Why I use this system is because when I'm using the frequency table, I can I can compare I can compare what I got up here with that system. I just put 1 to 6 on each side. So I just use that to compare my numbers when I finish with the frequency table. So what I did with the frequency table now, okay, with the frequency table now, what I did, I put V on top of it here for you don't see, man. That's my problem. But okay, I put V on top of here, and then F, V for value, F for frequency, and then S for sound. So now on those numbers that I just multiplied, I'm gonna try to find the lowest number. Okay, I'm gonna start from the lowest number. Let's say I'm gonna start from zero. Okay, because that's the lowest number I have over here on that multiplier, that all those numbers that multiply by three. I got zero there, one, you know what I mean? I'm gonna start from the lowest number. So when I start from the lowest number, now I'm gonna count. I put one over here. No, I put zero first, right here on the value side, put zero. Now you're going to count how many ones do you have? Okay, so what I did, I found one, two. No, I'm talking about zero. One, two, three, four. I got four zeros. I found four zeros. Okay, so that being said, I'm gonna have maybe 2 0 coming out, or maybe three. Sometimes it can be 4 2. You never know. But it's how it match. Don't forget, I did put those numbers right here, so I can match my result from the frequency table. So now we finish with zero. I take one. I do one. I count how many ones. When I count how many ones, I got two ones. So I put one here on the value and then two for the frequency. That means zero got a frequency of four. Zero got a frequency of four, and then one got a frequency of two. So now I don't have no twos over here on that. When I multiply them, I didn't have any twos. So that tell me, because I got a number that's missing, this number most likely to show up. So I don't have no twos. So what number I got? I got three. So I put three after two, one. I put three. When I put three, I count how many three I got. When I do that over here, I got zero three. So I got one three. So I put three over here on the value and frequency one. Okay, that is it. That means one or three gonna come out for sure. You don't know, but they said the frequency told me that one three is coming out. So it's depend how you see it, how you view it, because me, it's kind of difficult to get it, but I can find it if I'm focused on it, you know. So now when I've done that, I did three, I did NC this shit like I look for all the lowest number first, and then I line them up in here, and then the frequency table tell me how many numbers that I have. That's come and gonna come. Like I didn't have four. I didn't have no four on the value right here. So what I do, I take six. Six. I didn't have five too, so I take six. After six, I didn't have seven. I take eight. After eight, I didn't have I have nine. I put nine. So what you do, you add the value, you add all the value together, and then what I do, I add all the frequency to go together, and then all the sum together. So, for example, I think this is the powerball. For example, on the first, I did out sometime when you say multiply by three, sometimes I do three frequency table with my system. So when you do three, you're gonna see all those numbers in three on those three frequency table. So it will be much easy for you to choose and to know exactly where you stand on choosing on picking the number and not guessing too much. Let's continue. So now, when I finish with that over here, I already I already see that I got 58 over here, and 58 came out on Mega Boost. Okay, 58 come out, omega ball, and again, I already see all the number here, so I don't even have to go nowhere else or start something else because I only need two, one, two. So now, uh, when I go on that system that I put here to verify what I find here, exactly, I find them what I got here. I find them on that system, so that show me, yeah, it's accurate. So I got 58 here for Powerball. No, for sorry for Mega Ball, and then I got 18, and then I got 16. So I find all those three numbers in the same place. Remember, remember that we didn't have no four, we didn't have no five. So everywhere that five pop up, everywhere that five gonna come up, everything that's around it is gonna feel that the same that vibration. Every number that's around it gonna feel that vibration. For example, you see five appear come up here and here, and on that sum result, I find 57 when I'm done with the sum. But five is up here, and because it appear here and then eight over here already, give me 2 times 9 give me 18. So you already see 58 up in here, and then 18, 16, and then up here. Remember, when the number is missing, when you doing the value, you don't see the number line up from 0 to 9, because when you start from 0 to 9 and then you go 9 0, it's like 10. You know what I mean? 9 0, and then you start again. So if you don't see that number line up from 0 to 9, and whatever number that's missing, watch out for it. And for example, if they have a gap between, for example, here I find four and five is missing. So when 4 and 5 is missing, it's a big gap. They got two gaps. So wherever that those two numbers pop up, whatever number that's around it. For example, if one was next to it, or if, for example, one was missing, if one was missing, and then we find a sum over here, you better believe that 15 was going to come out, and then 2, 3, or number from the frequency was going to connect together because one missing. So when one pop up on 15 or on the whatever you see one number that's next to it, it's most likely the number that's coming out next. For example, here I got 11, right? The next number is 11. 11, remember, the frequency table told me when I did all that, the frequency table told me that I got two ones. I got two ones. So 1, 2. I got two ones. So the frequency table already told me how many numbers, how many ones that's gonna come out. So I'm watching out for 11. So really, 11 pop up right here. 11 pop up right here. Don't forget, 3 was missing. So that vibrate one. That vibrate one. So because the value of one is 2, so we got 11. No, not the value. The frequency is 2, so we got 11. So the next number is 03. 3 was missing and 5, oh no, not 3. 4 was missing and 5 was missing because the number was missing. So when it pop up, it vibrate the number that's up. Like for example, 4 is missing, 5 is missing. So you already find 5. You match it with some, it give you 58 because when it vibrate, this line is in between 7 is in between 6 and 7. Well, I didn't find 7 here, but 7 don't show up. So that's fine. I found 7 on 57, but you don't have nothing to do here. It didn't come out. But the number that came out was 58, 18, 16, 0, 11, 03. That's for Powerball. No, sorry, Megaball. So now let's go on Megaball. On the same thing, that's what I was saying. I think on the first episode I said, um, when you get the Powerball result can actually give you the same, well, the same result. Like you can get two results from the Powerball number. That's what I mean. So on the same Powerball number, I just find Megaball. So we're gonna find. Let's go find Powerball now. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, the Powerball number now for January 9th. So the Powerball number is right here. What came out that day? On the same line, on the same line, because remember 4 was missing here. So right here, 4 is here. We find 4. So because it was missing, it vibrate. It vibrate. Um, I think 4 probably is green. Yeah. Okay. 4 is here. We find 46, and then we find 13 because the frequency told me how many threes I'm gonna have, how many six I have, how many. Because what I do, the same way I did for the first one to cross numbers, start from the lowest to the biggest. I did the same thing. Cross numbers. So whatever number that I got here, I use it too. So that's how I found out Powerball. So I got for the Powerball, I got 26, 13, 46, 14, 45. That was the number for the phone for that. And then I went over here on that system, I'm verifying. And I find all those numbers here. So that tell me, yes, that was the number that came out. So that's it. Well, I'm gonna put an end to this episode for today. And I've just shown, I was trying to show like a flashback on those numbers and how you can use the same system I'm using to find those numbers to your advantage. So, okay, so yeah, this is it. And I promise you guys next time I'm gonna have a better equivalent, a better marker, or better something. Well, you know what I mean? Better view because you don't see it. I'm just explaining. So anyway, I'm really appreciate you guys and for watching and keep God first and pray night and day and always give thanks for everything you have and stay positive. COVID is out there. Wash your hands, 6 feet, 10, and wear your mask when you're in public and gas station, wear gloves to do your pump your gas so you can stay safe around you and your family. I mean, I say around your family and others like friends. Okay, be safe and you know what I mean. I'm going mine. Have a great day, people. Love y'all. Hey, have a night. Yeah.